Hello, my name is Mitya, and in this tutorial I will explain LightNet and LightSync features which allow you to sync multiple Lightact servers together. So I have a basic project open on two computers. This is what we are going to make as a master computer, and here is another computer on the network which I'm going to make as a slave. So let's first go back to the master, and we start by opening the devices window. On the right hand side you see the name of the computer, the IP, and the subnet. Of course, all the computers have to be on the same subnet. Now what we are going to do, we're going to enable both LightNet and LightSync. LightNet is a protocol which allows Lightact devices to find themselves on the network, and LightSync is a timecode, basically enhanced timecode, which allows for synced playback. So I'm going to go ahead and do both things on these two things on both devices. I'm going to enable LightNet on the slave and LightSync on the slave as well. Great. So let's first go to the master computer and try to find Lightact 1 computer, the slave, on the network. So I clicked, as you saw, on the scan, and when I clicked it, it took a few seconds and Lightact 1 was found on the network. Now I don't have to do anything else with this node. The only thing that I need to do is I need to decide whether I'm going to use broadcast or multicast as our communication protocol for transmitting LightSync. So I'm going to use multicast because it's more efficient. And because this computer is a master, I'm going to select this one here, of course. Now I need to do a similar thing on the slave. So I switch to the slave, and here I select listen as slave, multicast. Great. The last thing that I need to do is to go to the sync tab and select sync to LightSync. Great. You already see what's coming in LightSync. So if I switch to my master and create a split screen, so this is the slave and this is the master. So if I move this transport, you see that it moves on the slave as well. And if I press play, you see that the other computer, the slave computer, moved to switch to play mode as well.